Today we're making a pot of Jamaican chicken soup, the kind that warms your belly and makes you feel like home. Let's make it. Chicken feet. The feet are already washed and cut up, see there? Cut them up. And chicken back. Everything is already washed and clean, okay? And chopped up. Pimento berries. Garlic. I'm gonna use about 4 to 6. Gonna add the chicken feet first before I add the chicken back, because these are kind of like tougher than the chicken back. Pumpkin. Carrots. Celery. Cho Cho. Potatoes. These are the yellow ones. After about 20 minutes, yellow yam. So whenever you're making soup, you can basically add any yam or ground provision of your choice. If you don't have anything, you just leave anything where you not afford. May I use what I have today, okay? Mama would have said I now put my hat where my hand can't reach. So what I have it may I use today. I mean, I go up on the road to get nothing else. So if you don't know one way in that pot, left it pot alone. Left it pot. I just love soup with yellow yam in it. Can't without yellow yam. I mean, I make us put them in the water before they turn black. Before they turn black for me. I'm gonna tell myself I need a bigger pot because I not make no more. I not using a bigger pot today. I just want a small amount of soup, alright? I'm not using a bigger pot today. So this have to roll it. Time for the dumpling or spinners. I'm gonna use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup refined cornmeal, and I'm gonna leave all the measurements down in the description box, okay? Scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. Time for season up the pot. And you're gonna add this to taste, okay? Adjust to your taste. Some Scotch bonnet powder. Cover for about 10 to 15 minutes. And just like that, the pot done. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Amen. There you go. How was it? Let me know. And you know, so this bust any gas, right? Never gets old. That's super rich and nice. And the flavor a bust. The flavor turn up, man. The flavor turn up. Let's try the chicken foot. My favorite part. So much collagen in that chicken feet. But not say chicken foot on the call it, but some people are gonna say, oh, I know chicken foot or chicken feet. So chicken foot, chicken feet, whatever. I can't bother with do something like that. Here. Let's try the yellow yam. As dry and nice as usual. From the way I cut, you can tell say it dry, you know. Nothing no more comforting than this. So good, so flavorful, so bold, and so authentic. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like if you like this video, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you had soup today. It's kind of a traditional thing to make soup on Saturday. So if you make soup today, let me know if you make soup. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.